In this video, we're making chocolate salami. First, you're going to heat some water in a vessel and place another bowl with some butter on top of it. When the butter starts melting, you're going to add in your chocolate and the fresh cream, and then you're going to stir all of this till it melts. Then you're going to switch off the flame and add in some powdered sugar and mix it in. Then you're going to add in some pistachios and sultanas. You can use any nuts or dried fruits of your preference. Mix them in. And then you're going to add in some biscuits, and I have used plain marigold here. Mix till the biscuits are coated uniformly with the chocolate mixture. Your mixture is slowly going to start thickening. You're going to pour the mixture onto a tray lined with some plastic wrap. And then you're going to slowly shape it into a log shape and roll it up just like that. And then you're going to refrigerate this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, your chocolate salami should be set completely. Remove it from the wrap carefully. And I placed it on a parchment paper. And then go ahead and slice it up. You can cut the slices as thick or as thin as you like. And your chocolate salami is ready to be eaten. If you love fruit and nut chocolates, this chocolate salami is going to be a favorite. The crunchy nuts and the chewy raisins pair so well with the chocolate, and the biscuit cuts right through the sweetness. I hope you give this a try and let me know how it turns out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new recipes, and I will see you soon. Bye!